In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to turn raw numbers into clear percentage values and understand why each click matters. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's homepage. At the top right, you'll see the grid icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. Click that to open Google's menu of apps, then choose Sheets. That takes you into your Spreadsheets, where you can open the document you want to work with. With your sheet open, pick an empty cell where you want the percentage to appear. Click into that cell and type an equals sign. This tells Sheets you're creating a formula. Now, click the cell that holds the part or achieved value you want to measure, type /, and then click the cell that holds the whole or total value. In plain terms, you're building part divided by whole. This is the core of every percentage calculation. You're finding what fraction the part is of the total. When you complete that formula, Sheets calculates the result as a decimal. For example, if the part is 25 and the total is 100, you'll see 0.25. That's correct, but it isn't in a percentage format yet. To make it instantly readable, use the toolbar at the top and click the percentage icon. That converts 0.25 into 25% automatically, without you needing to multiply by 100 yourself. A couple of quick checks will help you avoid common mistakes. Make sure you clicked the part first and the whole second. If you accidentally reverse them, you'll get a tiny number or a very large percentage that doesn't make sense. If your total is 0 or the cell is blank, Sheets can't divide, and you'll see an error. Fill in the total first. And if you see a result that looks off, confirm those cells contain numbers, not text formatted as numbers. The beauty of this method is that it stays accurate as your data changes. Because you referenced cells rather than typing numbers directly into the formula, any updates to the part or the whole will automatically refresh the percentage. The percentage format also helps with quick scanning. You'll immediately spot trends, compare performance, or report results with clarity. That's all there is to it. Open Sheets, choose your document, create a simple part over whole formula with an equals sign and a slash, then apply the percentage format. Clean, fast, and dependable for everything from budgets to scores to progress tracking.